Hey guys, it's Chris here. Got a really exciting review for you guys today. This is the SCHRADE SCX5 Tactical Hatchet. It's made of full tank construction. It's made from a 1/4 inch thick SK5 high carbon stainless steel with a black powder coating. And so far, the black powder coating in my initial testing has been doing fairly well. The blade length is 3.1 inches. The handle is 6.4 inches, and the handle material is made of very ergonomical glass-filled nylon. The hatchet features a nice cutting blade, a 3-inch spike point, and a nail pull and pry bar. It comes with a nylon sheath with 3 button openings at the bottom and molly straps on the back, which I'll show you guys that real quick. Those are the molly straps, and that is the 3 button opening. It's pretty straightforward, but I think it's really useful for a survival pack. And it retails for $106, but on Amazon you can find it for $59.98. So far on my initial testing, it has done very well. This thing chops, and it's awesome. You guys got to check it out. Oh, and another thing is something I almost missed, is there's a spot right here in the front for a lanyard. So, give you guys some better footage. That is the nail pull and pry bar. As you guys can tell, I have done some initial testing, and I have not really cleaned this blade up or anything since I've been testing it, but enough of really showing that thing off. Oh yeah, that's how thick it is. Just to put it up against my finger. It's really thick SK5. So, let's roll in the footage and let's get to it. Guys, we've got the SCX5 out here. This is a new log that I'm going to be testing just for this axe that I brought out for you guys. So, enough talking. Let's start chopping. Alright guys, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be hacking and chopping, and then I'm going to go on the flip side and use a spike and stab in and show you guys how it penetrates. So, let's get going. Wow, that was awesome. Alright, let's check out the spike and see what kind of penetration we're going to get. Oh, wow, that was awesome. I really like this thing. Whew, this thing's beautiful. God. Look at that, guys. That was awesome. Look at this big, huge chunk of wood that spike pulled out. Just to show you guys again real quick. I know I have it in my hands again. But that's what this thing can do. The SCX5. I love this thing. Alright guys, I really enjoyed the hack test. This is just a small drywall screw, but I figured it was a little bit tougher than a nail to try to use the pry tool. So I went ahead and popped one in there. So let's see how it works. Wow, that was easy. Nice. Just a small 1-inch screw. No big deal. Well, the SCHRADE SCX5. Definitely has my approval.